Welcome to this series I'm calling GED Math Boosters. These are a collection of problems that I think can really help boost your GED math test score. In this first video, the subject is going to involve the properties of the sides of triangles. So let's get started. Here is the problem we will review in this first video. The sum of the length of sides AB and BC is blank, the length of side AC. And then we have these four options. This is a little bit of an unusual problem format, but it's one that you might see. We need to select the correct phrase from less than, greater than, equal to, or equal to the square of that's going to fit in this blank and make this sentence a true statement. So that covers the question format. Now let's look at this triangle that is being described in the problem. We are asked to think about the length of the sides AB between here and here, and BC between here and here, and compare that to the length of side AC. And AC is from here to here. Now, we don't actually have to do any math to answer this question. It makes for a very quick answer if you understand the properties of a triangle. So let me erase those arrows, and I'm going to try to show how we can answer this question without doing any math. Let me move segment AC up to the top of the screen. That is exactly the same length as what's in our triangle. And then I can move side CB and then add to it AB. So I've just sort of straightened out those two sides, and we can clearly see that the sum of these two sides is going to be longer than side AC. So the answer to this question is greater than. And if you understand the properties of triangles, you can answer that question very quickly, because the sum of any two sides of a triangle will always be larger than the other side, the third side. And it doesn't make any difference what sides we're talking about. The sum of sides AC and CB will be longer than AB. And usually you can just see this visually. Just to summarize the takeaway from this problem, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle will always be greater than the third side. That's it for today. I hope you feel better prepared to handle this kind of problem on a test.